Hello, this is Kenny from Cole Chevrolet with the tip of the day. There's numbers on your tire that you may not know what they mean, and I will try to help you explain that to you. Most cars have the tire size in the door jamb of your car, so you can actually look there and find out what size tire you need for your car. But there's a lot more to that. Generally, all tires have a first letter, which is the class of the tire, which an LT would stand for a light truck. If it was a P, would stand for a passenger tire. The second number is the tire width in millimeters. And the slash mark between the two numbers, the second number is the aspect ratio in millimeters. The bigger the aspect ratio, the higher, the taller the tire sidewall, or profile as it's sometimes called. And the two-digit number at the end of the size is your 22-inch, which is the rim diameter in inches. The 110 in your size is the load capacity with the load that the tire can support. And your H is your speed rating, of which speed your tire is rated for. Thanks for watching. Be sure you watch again next week, and remember to schedule a service appointment at colechevrolet.com.